BENKS has been making some really nice high quality aramid fiber cases, and today we're going to be taking a look at their brand new Aurora case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you love minimalist cases, I definitely think that you're going to love this one. It's made from 600D Kevlar, it's super light, super thin, and it's got MagSafe built in. And if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting product links in this video's description. So let's check out the case. So if you're not familiar with Kevlar cases, they are typically super light and they're very thin and scratch resistant. So here is the case itself. It's got this little tag on here. It says if you take off this tag, it won't let you, or they won't let you return the case anymore. I definitely don't have to worry about that because I'm not going to be trying to take back the case. So again, it's super thin. It's like feather light. It's got this really cool pattern and texture on the back. It's nice and smooth. It also has a raised edge on the back for camera protection as well. You can see we have the cutouts for our volume and power buttons on the side. We have that MagSafe built in with kind of like that same pattern on the inside as well. Now I have two phones here. I've got one without a screen protector on it, and then I have one with a tempered glass screen protector on it, just to show you how much of an edge you get with the phone. So we'll put this on the phone that does not have the screen protector on it first. If we look at it from the side, you can see how much of an edge you get at the top and the bottom. It's really not much. There's like a sliver. This case really isn't made to protect your screen. It's more for keeping the minimalist feel of the phone, but still give you some protection for the back and the sides. So now let's take the case off and put it on our phone that does have the tempered glass screen protector on it, just to give you an idea of what you're looking at. So it fits the phone really well, feels nice in the hand, feels just like you're holding the phone without any case on it. And then as you can see, we do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, and we still get just a very minimal edge on the top and the bottom. We don't have anything that protrudes up on the sides, so you can easily swipe from each one of the sides of the phone. And as you can see, it keeps the slimness of the phone as well. It's got that really nice, cool pattern on the side and on the back. It kind of gives you like that Aurora type look. On the sides here, we have the cutout for our volume and power buttons. On the bottom, we have a cutout for our charging port, our speaker, and our little S Pen here. You can very easily get that out. Push it back in, no problems. And then on the back again, you've got that nice aramid fiber Kevlar feel, as well as that cool pattern. And we have the raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there too. That is a really nice looking case. I definitely do like the pattern that they chose for this. You can still very easily access your buttons, kind of like there was no case even on the phone. That is really nice. And also, if you have the MagSafe puck laying down somewhere on your nightstand, you don't really have to hunt for it because the magnets are strong enough to clip onto the back of the case. Or just simply wave the phone over the puck, it clips into place and starts to charge your phone. This is a really nice looking and feeling case. I'm really a fan of these minimalist cases because it does keep your phone very slim and it feels just like you're holding the phone without a case in the hand. And it also doesn't show fingerprints like a lot of the other clear cases as well. That's definitely a plus for me. What do you guys think about the brand new Aurora case? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious, the ring that is around the camera lenses here is made of plastic. And like I mentioned before, it's also scratch resistant, so if you happen to, kind of scratch the back of your case, you don't have to worry about seeing any of those scratches like some of the other cases. And you don't have to have a MagSafe wireless charger either. This case will work with any wireless charger. And if you happen to have a MagSafe power bank, it also works well with that too, and it's got a nice strong hold. And if you're wondering how well the case stays on the phone, it seems to be on there pretty good. It's not going to just pop off when you're using it for day-to-day use. And I think even if you happen to drop your phone, the case would probably still stay on the phone. And if you do want to take it off, all you need to do is put the phone kind of in your hand just like this and press one of the corners just like this, and it should start to kind of come off your phone, and then you can just easily pop it out like that. So again, if you guys want to pick this case up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.